In this quick guide, insert your USB flash drive into an available USB port now. Open Control Panel, type File History in the search box, and press Enter. Click File History, then choose Select Drive to pick your USB flash drive. Select the USB drive and click Turn on to enable File History backups. Customize what to back up by including libraries, desktop, documents, or specific folders. Close the window. Windows will prepare the initial backup to your USB automatically. Open File Explorer and click the USB drive to monitor backup progress in real time. You'll see a file history folder with timestamped backups appearing as Windows saves files. When the backup finishes, open the folders and preview your backed up documents and photos. Verify important files by opening a few documents to confirm they are readable and intact. For extra copies, drag and drop folders to the USB in File Explorer as a manual backup option. When done, use the Safely Remove icon and eject the USB before unplugging it from your PC.